See, usually I just talk to you a little bit, warm you all up, because there are a bunch of comics coming and all of them are shooting. So you have to be nice because comedy is not like music, okay? ऐसा नहीं कि involuntarily enjoy कर लोगे तुम, है ना? कि तुम खो जाओगे हंसते, ऐसा नहीं. Comedy में you have to pay way, like you have to pay attention. You have to be present mentally in order to enjoy it, Otherwise फिर कैसे होएगा? ऐसा मैं feather लेके गलगली करने नहीं आएगा तुम लोग. नहीं, मैं छोड़ दिया, अभी मैं नहीं करता ऐसा. अभी मैं वायरल हो गया भाई, पागल है तुम लोग. FIR के बाद तो एंड वो मम्मी ने डाला था प्लीज इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील एंड यू कांट बाय द यू कांट मेक एन FIR सेइंग मेरा बेटा गांडू है ओके दैट्स नॉट अलाउड आई चेक्ड आई ऑल टुगेदर इज इट जस्ट द टू ऑफ यू और डिड यू कम विद प्लीज एंड अरे डोंट बी अफ्रेड एंड ऑल इट्स कूल दैट्स व्हाई सिट ग्रेट थैंक्स सॉरी यू आर लेट सॉरी आई एम सॉरी वी ट्राइड टू स्टार्ट लेट बट the audience didn't allow only. They selfish people, these people. They were like, हम लोग टाइम पे शो टाइम पे. अरे ऐसे कैसे? But I mean, it was terrible. You should have seen them. It's okay. Don't. Are you okay? What happened?
Traffic.
Oh, traffic. मुंबई में? हम लोग तो हेलीकॉप्टर से आते हैं पता नहीं. No, I'm rich. I'm kidding. I just respect people's time. No, don't feel bad. I'm not just joking. Yeah. You shouldn't feel bad for tardiness. I mean, she's texting in the middle. She doesn't give a shit. So what are moral values left anyway in society? How can you still say traffic? Like, don't you ऐसा तेरे को नींद आता है रात को ढंग से? Like, तू कैसे ट्रैफिक जुलाई में बारिश बोलता होगा नहीं तू साला कैप्टन फकिंग ऑफ यू एनवायरनमेंट कैन नॉट बी रीजन टू बी लेट दैट इज नेचर ऑफ बीइंग ट्रैफिक तो नेचर एवरी डे होता है ऐसा ट्रैफिक में पेड़ गिर गया दैट इज अ रीजन रास्ते पे दूसरा गाड़ी है बोलो जो चीज गाड़ी के लिए बना है उधर दूसरा लोग लेके घूम रहा है ऐसा ट्रैफिक डिड यू टेक एन उबर और समथिंग हाँ या नो तो वो उसको भी बुलाया नहीं होगा टाइम पे आपने यू मस्ट हैव बीन लाइक मुझे बुला पहनते वक्त बुलाऊंगा फिर उसका कॉल आ रहेगा फिर आप बोलेंगे नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ मैं लिफ्ट में ही चढ़ रहा हूँ पर आप लिफ्ट में नहीं चढ़ रहे थे आप तो बेल्ट पहन रहे थे क्योंकि आपने दिल में डिसाइड कर लिया ट्रैफिक क्या फर्क पड़ता है Welcome. Please come. Please take. So sorry, you're late. And grab a seat. क्या हो गया? हाँ? आने नहीं दिया जल्दी. तो ये तुम लोग क्या मारामारी कर गए ऐसा? मतलब आप दोनों हो सुकड़े पर ऐसा इतने नहीं कि घुस ना पाओ. क्या हो? सच्ची बोलना क्या हो गया? Be honest. It's okay.
Well, I had to wait.
So be honest, no. So just she was getting ready. Okay, so just say that. No, see, it's okay, right? We can admit, no, that we're pieces of shit. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Nobody here is a good person. Don't worry. ये सब कमीना लोग हैं. They don't know it yet. Huh? Oh yeah, I'm sure. Blame anyone else you want. It's okay. You don't want to blame just her. I get it, bro. It's fine. He better not, nah. Because who wants the truth? You just want pandering. So you don't want a fucking relationship that's real or healthy. You just want someone to make you feel nice every now and then and say positive shit. Like don't point out the shit because especially when you know you're doing something fucked up. See, I know. That's what we look for our partners. Now we look. Has that happened? मैं single है. Nobody has ever cheered the fact that I'm lonely before. So anyway, we have one. Okay. आजा. Oh no. Hello guys, welcome. Sorry you got late. As in I'm sorry that happened to you. It should not. They have to figure out where to sit now because they are late. Why all got late? Train. That's what the fuck is train? That's not a Tumbler. Ja. What the fuck is train? What, a train fell on you? Were you running from a train? What the fuck happened? What happened to the train? तू गलत ट्रेन में चल तो you deserve it, fucking. You deserve. What train did you get into? What train did you get into?
The Churchgate one.
Where were you coming from? Okay, fucking wait. For those of you watching at home, this is happening at Khar, okay? Khar, okay? Khar is somewhere in the middle of Bombay, okay? So you all were coming from where?
Dadar.
Dadar, and you took a train towards Churchgate. See, this is why non-Mumbaikars don't like us. We love it so fucking much. Great, chalo. So you came late because of stupidity. That's the different reason. How did you get into the wrong train? Did you think it was near Churchgate? Be honest with me. See, everyone is a friend here. Show is only called Akash and Friends. These are the friends. Comedians are not my friends. What happened?
वो जा रहा था पर वो नहीं गया फिर.
U-turn लिया ट्रेन. नहीं ब्रो, तू ड्रग्स कर रहा है गांडे. गलत. Are you sure तू स्टेशन के बाहर ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था बैठ के? Come, it's okay. No, I am sorry. I'm sorry we started at all. I mean, you're already upset that we started. You should also be upset. I'm sorry. मैं क्या करूँ, मैं रुकाया ये लोग को 25 मिनट तक. पर ये फालतू है ऑडियंस वाले लोग. सब कंफ्यूज हो गए कि हम लोग तो टाइम पे आ गए थे. कमीने लोग सब. Self-centered pricks. हाँ? Not a conversation. And I don't know why people constantly feel like this is a give and take scenario. It's not. It's a one-way street, okay? Fucking now you want to talk to me? बचपन में बात करता, आज कॉमेडी नहीं हो रहा था. ठीक है? ये ऐसे थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ मैं. Why did you all get late? What happened? What happened? वो हाँ? ये लेट आया. So.
मुझे पिक करने तो हम लेट हो गए.
Aww. ये तुम्हारा दोस्त है या उबर ड्राइवर? क्या हो रहा है? भैया किधर हो? Okay, चल, now that you are in, now listen, recording show, हुआ बहुत बकचोद, समझा है लोग को. हाँ, हंसना और मेरे गलगली करने नहीं आएगा, basic चीज. Okay? And don't feel bad, it's okay to be late. क्या करेगा, है कि नहीं? जीवन ऐसा ही है, बेकार है. And my attitude towards y'all is the same as with my ex. I'm just glad you came. Okay, now, yeah, it's fine.